Hello, my name is Brage from Evo E-sykkler, Stavanger, Norway. Today we're going to talk about winter storage and using the bike through the winter. So for winter storage, we recommend doing a deep clean of the bike, lubricate moving components and make sure the bike is completely dried off when putting it away. For moving parts, especially the stanchions on the forks, we recommend doing a little layer of silicone shine. Just spray a little bit onto a rag or directly onto the stanchions itself and clean it off with a rag. The whole bike can also be protected with the HCB1 from Muck-Off. It's a really nice corrosion barrier that doesn't leave a sticky residue, so you can treat the whole bike frame with this. For the lube, we recommend doing the wet version. Basically prevents it from being washed away from snow and ice. For storage, we recommend keeping the bike in a warm, dry place. If not, you can also use a bike cover. That's the best thing to do if you don't have the possibility to keep it in a warm place. To take best care of the battery as well during the winter, just keep it inside in room temperature. Since we're talking about storage, it's important to know that most of the times bikes are stolen from people's homes. So if you have a bike finder, it's important to keep the subscription active and keep the unit charged. You can check that in the app. So for winter riding, you also want to dress appropriately. Get some good gloves or maybe even some bar pogies. These are super simple to mount.
Just takes a couple minutes.
You also can get a good set of winter gloves. These with the tri-finger so it's easy to shift. Helmet with the light. It's also really recommended. And of course, a set of reflex. So it's really important that you make sure that cars see you. Make sure your lights are working on the bike and really remember the reflective jacket. So another winter tip, it's important to make sure you have the right tires for using in the winter. These are a 365 tire, so all year tire. They have a special compound that gets softer when it's colder. So around 7 degrees, it's when we recommend doing the tire change. If there's ice on the roads where you live, we also definitely recommend doing the studded tires around the same time. So we also recommend breaking in the studs, so ride around carefully for around 30 to 40 kilometers. And that's our tips for this winter season. Enjoy and be safe.